Hey everyone, welcome back to Netception, and in this video we are going to show you how you can use WhatsApp on two smartphones at the same time. Yeah, so this tutorial will guide you through the steps of how you can use the same account with the same phone number on two different smartphones. So to do this, first of all you have to open WhatsApp, and then you have to click on this the three dots up here, and from there you have to select the option known as WhatsApp web. Now you can see here you can have the option to connect other devices and use the same account from that device. So all we have to do right now is click on this plus button with the option to scan this. Now what you have to do is you grab your other phone, the other phone which you want the account to work, and open up Google Chrome. Then you go to the search bar or the address bar and you type the following URL: web.whatsapp.com. Once you have typed this, hit the enter key and wait for the page to load. And once it has loaded, you will see that this will tell you to download it from Play. But what you gotta do is go to the top, and where you have the menu option, you have to go there and you have to hit the three dots. Yes. And once you do that, you will scroll down and see option named desktop site. Tap on it and the page will transform into a what will be for the desktop sites, and QR code will appear. Now back with the old phone, what you got to do is scan the QR code on this phone with the help of the other phone, and you can see that it actually opens up. And as you can see, you have already all the contacts that you need to chat with on this side of your phone, and you can just open up any chat and start messaging in there. So phones are connected in the right way. You can see that I can open the same on both the phones and send any messages that will appear on both the phones. That means it's connected and I can use it, and I can also send and receive attachments from any phone if I want to. So let's say if I send some, it will appear on that other phone also. So you can see that this is actually a very easy method to use WhatsApp on both the phones at the same time. And you can do this, but one contingency is there, that to use WhatsApp on the other phone, this phone must be connected to internet. So keep that in mind, and once you have done that, you have the same account on both the phones. So hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please let us know in the comments what other helps you want, and like this video and share it with your friends so that they can know this awesome trick as well. And you can check out our channel where we have thousands of other tricks like this. We have more tutorial and helpful videos, and if you have anything that you want us to make for you, let us know in the comments below. And so that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Yeah.